nice. In this video, I'm going to unbox Japanese snack box. In Brunei, everything has to be opened by custom. Let's open this. So this is the Sakura box. Wow, nice. So you have a postcard, and it actually shows where is it from, and there is a personal message, and there is books. And this month's theme is Mount Fuji. So all the products and all the snacks are from around the Mount Fuji area. So this is the rice cracker, and this is the green tea biscuit, more rice cracker, ototo sauce chips. Okay, this is the tiramisu, the green tea tiramisu, and we got these two Mount Fuji red cookies. Look so cute. And inside this one is the the pudding, and this is the bun. They even give a bowl, Mount Fuji bowl, so you can put it like this, or you can put it like this. Then you have the fruit jelly, more rice cracker. These two rice cracker again. These two are the grapes, the Kyoho grapes cookie. This is green tea biscuit. Castella cake. This one I have to put in the fridge. And 2 packets of green tea. Okay, so because I got the 3-month subscription, so they give another bonus dish. It's a soya sauce dish, but with the Mount Fuji design inside. Actually, I was a bit quite disappointed because according to the book, they actually have the edamame senpai and the almond mochi senpai. Then I checked, it's here, it's together with the dough senpai, so it's all here. They just put it 3 different types of senpai is here, so I got the complete set. I'm gonna have some of the food now, but I need to get changed first. Maybe I try the Castella cake. This is actually originally from Portugal. I'm going to have the green tea, sencha green tea, and also the pumpkin pudding. Okay, I'm gonna try this pudding. Thank you for watching my video on the review of the Sakura October box. See you again. Bye bye.